Hello, students. We're going to draw the T-slide, which is the first part for that will be solid modeling. So I'll just run through the steps that I can use to create this part, and hopefully this will be informative to help you create the same model. So I will start in my 3D environment by creating a new sketch, and I'm going to put it on this XZ plane. Pan over and select my rectangle tool. I will start at the origin and we'll simply draw two rectangles. This creates the T. We'll trim out the line inside that we no longer need, and we'll start applying dimensions. I'm going to double click my mouse to zoom extents and continue with the dimensioning. You can see that this sketch is now completely constrained, and that is indicated by the lines of the sketch all being black. At this point, I will click Finish Sketch. I will zoom to the extents of the sketch, and I will extrude the object. The thickness of this object is 25 millimeters, so we're okay. You can see now there's a new extrusion here. Now it'll be a matter of creating a cavity here on the top face of the T-slide and another one on the bottom face of the T-slide. So we'll start on the top. I'll select that face, start new sketch, zoom out and pan up. I'll use the rectangle tool and align it with the bottom of my upper T portion. I'll pull that down to a random point, and I'll complete the profile of this shape with the circle. Snapping to the midpoint and pulling out to where the lines intersect will give me a circle with the same diameter as this rectangle is wide. And now we can trim and apply dimensions. So it's simply a matter of dragging the trim tool through the lines we want to delete. And we'll come and apply dimensions. So we'll locate it on this face at 5 millimeters. Same on this side, 5 millimeters. From the top of the T down will be 20 millimeters. And this line should be 91. Same for this one. And we'll put the diameter of the circle. Actually, this will be a radius measurement, and that should be half of 27 will be 13.5. And now finish the sketch and extrude a cut. We'll select this cut icon into the part. The depth is going to be 8 millimeters, and click OK. And there's one more cut to make on the bottom of this part. We'll rotate to the bottom. And this time we will create a sketch on the face. That's similar to what we did before, but we're going to use offsets. So I can click this button, which is Project Geometry. I can select the face, the geometry I want, and you can see this yellow line showed up with all the edges of that face. I can start using these edges as reference points now. So I'll make an offset of 10 millimeters off the sides. I've clicked the edge I want to use and I pressed enter on my keyboard. And I will enter the value of 10. Now repeat that. And now we will just simply draw lines to make this a rectangle. Now that we have a closed rectangle, I will click Finish Sketch. And I'm going to orbit so I can see which way this extrudes when I get there. Click the Extrude button, select the face I want to extrude. I will select a cut, and I will change the depth of the cut to 10 millimeters. That's okay, we're good to go. I'll go to the home view, and there it is. That's the T-slide. Okay, thanks for watching.